Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you 4 recession-proof business strategy you need to know. So what you will learn today? You'll learn how to do a financial check and cut unnecessary expenses that you have. And also get yourself into a daily routine so that you know what to do every single day and not waking up every single day thinking of what's the next task that you need to execute. Now always have a mood board journal. Now this mood board journal can help you to track your mood throughout the days, and you know particularly what actually trigger you to go into a low mood or high mood. And no blaming game, especially if you're running a business. Now the current situation that you are at, you need to put down all the numbers into a spreadsheet. You can easily download a spreadsheet by typing monthly plus expenses plus tracker plus XLS on Google to find a sample spreadsheet to let you track down all the different expenses and spending. So what expenses can you cut? Ask yourself, do you need this service or do you need these particular things to be paid every single month? Is there a free alternative available or a cheaper alternative available? And who currently don't spend in this area? Now take a look at all your competitors and take a look at what are the different alternative solutions that other businesses is using, and how do they conduct the business successfully during this time. Once you know where you are spending your money, how you can cut it down, you can actually pull in a sum of money. Once you can track how you are spending your money, you can better control your finances. Start a routine and block off all interruptions. Especially if you are running a business, the best is to have a routine set up every single day. Now get a mood journal and list down and track your mood when you wake up, during lunchtime, and as and when, up to the point that you sleep. Now why do you need that? You need this basically to help you to understand about yourself. At which state are you more productive? At which state actually your food is most easily affected? So in a way, you are finding your most productive hours to work on important tasks. To be aware of yourself is the first step on what trigger your moods to be unhappy and to realize what makes you happy. Do not go into the mode of blaming everyone for your current situation. Use your journal again as your guide. You might think that it's the government's fault, it's the fault of this crisis, it's the fault of someone else, but however, you can't control any part of this unless you can control yourself. And the best part is control the way you think and control what you want to experience. Think on how your business will not be affected in this case and list down the options that are available for you at this current moment. And next thing is to take action a step at a time. So in summary, it's easy to get sucked into current daily life and not checking your finances. And right now is the best chance for you to take a look into whether it's personal, whether it's company finances, and make an informed decision what to be cut. Now get rid of unnecessary expenses or spending. The best part is to know that actually you have extra cash lying in the bank. Track your finances and your mood and to start a daily routine. Again, blaming of others take the power of control away from you, so stay away from it. And learn to pivot your business once you have mastered yourself through all the steps and you are better geared during this pandemic. I hope that this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.